Alright, hello guys.
Yo, guys.
Welcome back to another video. We're gonna with this guy, and he's a YouTuber as well, obviously.
Yeah, I am. Oh,
Right.
by the way, my YouTube channel.
And we're
is
gonna be
called
hosting.
Caleb19.
I'm going to be doing Squid Games. He wants to be a player.
Yeah.
Now you can talk.
And by the way, can I shout out my YouTube channel?
Yeah, sure. Shout it out.
I won't say the name because it's really hard to spell. I'll just say how to spell it. CALEB19, and it's the Animal Company turtle. That's the logo. I do Steal a Brain Rot videos, and I do Animal Company videos. They're not on my YouTube channel yet because I still have to edit them.
Yeah, bro. I don't really just edit mine. I just post them. I literally just created this account yesterday. But everybody go subscribe to him.
Yeah. By the way,
Yeah.
it takes like a month to edit all of my videos.
A month.
Yeah.
Right, but bro, can you subscribe to me? I only got one subscriber, and that subscriber is me.
And by the way, guys, I have about 17 subscribers, so subscribe.
I got one. That's
I
me.
want-
So
I want to hit
technically got
30.
one.
I want to hit 30 subscribers at the end of this year. By the way, I am moving to a new house,
Ooh,
so
new house.
it
Congratulations.
will be a lot quieter. So my
Hello.
videos will be a lot better.
Yo, we're both
you-
YouTubers.
yo.
Are you YouTubers?
Yes.
Yeah,
Are you
I'm a YouTuber.
Yes,
he's a
we're
YouTuber,
recording right now. We're recording right now.
Yo.
God damn it.
Yo.
Wait, which YouTuber are you?
Well,
he's
Caleb19.
YouTuber. I'm a
It's,
YouTuber. We're both
I'll tell you how to
YouTuber.
spell it. CALEB 19.
Which YouTuber
Go-
are you?
Guys, go subscribe to
not that
both of us.
Yeah. So
No,
guys,
already said that we should
join Discord because there's a big YouTuber in here.
Well,
Oh,
not
I'm-
big YouTuber.
I'm a big YouTuber. I'm a big YouTuber.
How many subscribers?
Oh yeah, then
do you
what?
have?
What's your channel?
17.
What's your channel?
Caleb19. It's with the C though.
Right, guys, we're gonna be hosting Squid Games though.
It's the Animal
And
Company.
then
Ted, you did
Squid
not do a
Games.
very good job on getting people, you know.
Let's go.
Can I join the Squid Games?
What? Yes, everybody line up on the stage.
Did I not do a good job?
Yes,
Wanna
go
be a
get
guard?
more. Right, everybody line up and yes,
Can I
right.
get-
Oh
Who would
my
be a
God.
good boy and be willing to get more people?
Please, bro, can you be me a guard?
I'll let you be a guard if you go get more people.
Okay, bet.
Join the code EP11 if you.
Right, the code's EP11.
I want
Okay,
to
I'm gonna get more people.
I want
Wait,
to
can
be
I add you, Green? Can I add you?
Hey, can you stop leaking me,
So then I can
goddammit?
join back, just in case. Can I add you so I can join next?
Oh, guys, by the way,
I don't know what you're saying.
the prize is gonna be this tiny VHS tape.
Alright.
Huh? How would you get that?
Wait, can I do the prize?
Okay, I'll tell everyone to join.
Yeah,
the
you
Squid
can get the
Games.
prize. You can get the if you win though. If you win.
No, I'm saying can I pick the prize?
No, bro, this is the prize.
I have a Labubu.
Oh, if you wanna have a little baby, you can have a little baby. The baby
I have
will
11
VHS.
Labubus. I have 11 Labubus.
I'll get the Labubu later.
You want this?
Okay. On my back. Right, go.
Get a grappler if you need it.
Go to right. Okay, good. We got that guy. Right, everybody, come to stage
No, by
count.
the way,
Go
I
to
do-
stage
I
count.
do usually like run like I don't do runs.
But I've got the bag of ammo in it. So
Okay.
if you kill me, revive me.
Okay. I won't be killing you. Even if I did kill you, I would be kicking you.
But I wanted to be a player.
Well, you wanted to be the player. Suffer the consequences.
Yo, can I have kicking powers? Can I? be a guard?
Please, I want to be
Sure,
a
if you
player
want.
though. But I want to. No, but
I'm a player.
you said
I'm
in
gonna
the
be a
car.
player.
But you said in the car.
Can you stop leaking us, goddammit? Stop talking about our stuff before I actually kick you from the code.
Yo, green. Take off your hat. You have to be like.
Yo, guys, I'm Mary Poppins. I'm literally Mary Poppins over here.
You're Mary Poppins. Cool.
Strawberry elephant. Lolly,
Yo,
lolly,
you wanna go down here? Wait, dude, you wanna go look at the new monster with me?
Hold up. Alright, hang on. Wait, hold up. Before I go.
There's a new monster.
Before I go.
Yo, come. There's a new monster. Let's see it. There's a new
Before-
monster.
Where?
Come. In the sewers, bro.
That's not new, bro. It's pretty old.
The fish? Are you serious?
The what?
There's a fish down there, bro.
Angela.
Yeah, but not
No,
as
he's
cool.
not. He's not here. Does anyone
Yeah,
want
yeah.
a zip line gun?
No.
Where's rat? Where's the rat?
Go
Where's
this.
the rat? Who's rat? Oh, no, look, right. But where's the big monster? The big monster. But where's the monster? Where's the monster?
I don't know. Go look for him.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, I died.
How did he survive?
Guys, this guy's recording right now.
So am I.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready,
No.
boy. I'm
Mate,
ready.
we
ready
need
to
more
do it to
people.
play
We need
games.
way more people.
Guys, they
Bro, I
make
can't, guys. Can the YouTuber go? Sure. Guys,
No,
I can't
Bunny.
go. No one's listening. to
Bunny,
me.
you have the kick power, so you're gonna have to be a guard, okay? Right,
Also me, bro.
sure.
You love
Right,
me.
you guys
You
are
love
guard.
me.
Right, I'm gonna go get.
Bro, you're the.
You make sure they behave. Yo, guys, I'm a YouTuber and I'm recording right now. Who wants to play Squid Games?
You're dumb.
Do somebody have the pickaxe on lock?
Me.
No, true. Who wants to be in a
You have to pick us
you want to
on
be in a YouTube
You
video?
have the pickaxe
Join
on
the code EP11.
Who said that?
EP11. F11. If you want to be in a YouTube video, join the code EP11. Alright, we're hosting Squid Games. Alright, the prize is a tiny VHS tape.
Do somebody have the pickaxe?
Yo, you, Brown.
Yo.
Brown. Do you want to be in a YouTube
Yeah.
video? I'm
I
recording
want a
right now.
pickaxe. I want the pickaxe. I'm trying to level up.
You'll see. This is how you do it. Just go be the YouTuber. Right, guys, I'm recording right now. Does anybody want to be in Squid? Be in a Squid Game?
I need to buy the Buy the brain rot god.
It is a brain rot god. Everyone, grab a bat. This is now a steel brain rot code. I need
Guys, go to the buy.
I need to buy it. Hey, get away from my brain rot. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Hey, what's the guy
Kindle.
with me?
Where's my Kindle?
sewers, guys.
Hey, friend. Follow me.
Who wants to be in a YouTube video? If you do, join the code EP11. Yo, Ted, I'm getting a couple people. If you want to be in a YouTube video to be in Squid Games, join the code EP11. No, I don't want to. Why?
Who is him? Okay,
Who's eating the pie?
They're like different flies.
If you want to be in a YouTube video, join the code EP11.
No, I don't. Shut up. Go on.
If you want to be in a YouTube video, join the code EP11. We're doing Squid Games. No! What? I'm recording a YouTube video.
This is a big scam. Bonnie selected me for no reason. Goodbye.
Right, guys, I'm here.
Giggers.
You guys, when you win
Guys,
the
I
Squid
also
Games, you don't get even
got-
a good
no, no.
item.
Is that pie? Oh, Galaxy Pie.
Yes.
What are you talking?
Right, I think we got a couple people. Right, Bunny, come here. Bunny, come here.
Anyway, let's play now.
Yep.
Everyone, some kids said we are not humans, we are horses and stewards.
No, you
Can you
can
add me real quick?
Right, if you die, you're a god, okay? If you die, you're a god. Right, because you need a bit more players, right? If you die, you can be a god, okay? Right, everybody.
Okay, sure.
Right, everybody. Every player except for Bunny, or everyone except for the Bunny. Bunny goes down on stage. Right, everyone except for the Bunny, sit on this couch in front of stage. Sit on the couch in front of stage.
Bro, didn't you say if I die I could be a god?
Yes, I said that to the red as well.
Wrong.
Right, sit down. No items, no grapplers, no items, or else you're getting,
Okay, let me
kicked by
let me
Mr.
just
Bunny.
throw this away. Wait,
Oh.
no, let me throw it away.
Oh, what?
Let me throw it away for a
You should be able to
second.
kick.
Let me throw it away.
What?
No, they added an update, so I think they added an update so people don't get scammed anymore.
I'm not talking.
Can I please keep this?
Let me just
I got
no
I actually like it.
Bro.
Since I'm gonna be a guard, can
Buddy,
I
you're trying to poke you in the butt.
No,
Can I stay up
no, sit down. Everybody,
Fine.
put all your items away.
Okay,
Put all
okay,
your
okay,
items
okay.
away and sit on the couch. All your items away now. All of them away. Give me it.
You don't kick me.
I'll give
I
it
don't
back.
have anything.
You do. You got
Seriously,
that.
show
That. Give me it. I'll give you your stuff back when you finish. Okay?
No, I don't have it. I don't have anything.
You do.
Seriously.
Oh. For me, you got a bang. Oh. Right.
Seriously, you don't.
Bro, drop your pickaxe and light.
empty.
Drop
No,
your
right
pickaxe
now.
and light. I'll get you.
No,
one.
Ren, you have to
Drop
stick.
your bag. And drop your
What?
bag and bone.
Where?
You have one. Hey, there's somebody over here. Yo.
Where?
You're cool.
I can buy
stick?
or put your stuff in your stash. Put your stuff in your stash if you don't want to
I have no
lose
items.
it. Lose it. Give it.
Don't worry, bro. You can't get kicked.
Guys, let's start the games.
Or throw it away if you don't want
You couldn't have a
Oh, okay.
You couldn't have like a person.
Well, if we get eliminated, you're just gonna report us to like the
You
Discord.
want to kick?
Nah, brother, you're just gonna get kicked, right?
Hello.
Yeah,
You can't kick in the game for the last time.
Right, I'm not gonna be kicked
I'm
because
hungry.
I'm legally a
Can I
guard.
be one of those? I have 5,000 stuff.
Guys, sit down.
kick me.
Sit down. Sit down. Bunny, don't kick him.
Kick me.
Don't worry, Bunny, don't worry. He's okay. He's okay. He's okay. He's my brother. Right, guys, sit
You.
down.
I'm
You,
blaming the
you,
server.
What?
Can I
Can I
throw
be
it in the
one of
bin?
the hosts? I have 5,000
Yo, Blue,
stuff.
can I throw that in the sewer? Can I throw that in the sewers? Hey, Blue, can I throw that in the sewers?
Yeah, just store it. Just sit on the couch, you little kid, bro. Sit on the couch. Shut up. Okay? Sit on the couch. Right?
Bro, there's no
Right,
kidding, bro.
everybody, follow me.
There's no
Follow
kidding.
me to
He's
the
just trying
first
to
game,
scare
okay?
us.
Follow me to the first game.
Sit there.
Wait, but is it filming?
Yes, I'm filming, Ted. Can you shut up?
Can I be one of the guards? Can I be a guard?
No. No. All right, fine. Since you got 5,000 subs, but you got to subscribe to me, though.
Okay, sure.
Okay, bro, what's your channel?
Shout you out.
AC Bros. That's my YouTube channel. I'm supposed to have another friend on it. If I can, I can get him in the code.
Can I add you after, bro?
Sure, add me after. If you get eliminated, if you want, you can add me. Right, everybody, everyone who's a player, go to the wall at the end.
Bro, we should play Red Light Green Light at stage 5 instead.
You're a god.
He's playing.
But you got
We
to
should
subscribe
play
to me.
Red Light Green Light at stage 5.
Okay, sure.
Cause that's a big room, stage 5.
This one's better. Right,
Purple light.
I'll come over and explain the rules. Right, everybody. I'm gonna explain the rules. First off, no
If you
one.
move in red light, you're eliminated.
Yes, but no one's allowed to use the microphone, or else it might interfere with the game.
Bro, why are you gonna kick someone?
No.
He's only kicking people who are being bad monkeys.
No, whoever's bad, they just gotta leave, or else we're. Right, because for some reason, who got the kick power? Who has the kick power? Or something.
Mr. Bunny.
Bro, like no owner, bro. It's the update. They stopped scamming people.
This
They
guy's
stopped
a big
people
power.
forcing
Yeah,
them.
stop kicking.
Oh,
You
yeah,
cannot kick people.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Are you a YouTuber?
Right,
You can't kick anymore, see? You can't
So
kick.
if you lose, you just gotta leave the code, okay? If you lose,
Guys,
you
let's
just gotta
just
leave the
play.
code.
Or you can just chill. Or can you just chill
Or
on the side
they
and
can
just not be in
spectate,
the
or they can spectate. Right, you gotta spectate or leave.
I could be a god.
Yes. Right, come on, Bunny. Come on, Bunny in black top hat.
up here could be a god. If I die.
Okay, I said 10.
Are you allowed to push?
Yes, go. Right, if you
Does
move on
Bunny
red
not
light,
have a
you
mic?
get eliminated. If you move on green light, you're safe. Right. Green light.
Wait, can I be a guard?
Oh my god, they need to stop using the mic. Red light.
What? Can you hear
Green
me?
light.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
No, listen. My
Red
dad's
light.
sleeping, so I can't talk.
Oh,
Green light.
okay. What if I screamed as loud as I can?
Red light. Red light.
Oh God, I feel bad for this guy.
Oh, he moved. You moved, bruv. You can spectate though. Don't worry, bro.
No, it's me.
Oh, yeah. Ted's a god. Right, you're a god now.
Come on.
I'll get my
I
back
promise-
revolver ammo. Can you
Alright,
get me a revolver?
Yeah, go get it.
Can you get me a revolver after this?
Yes. Red light.
Let me get my bag.
Green, you're eliminated. Green, you're eliminated. Right. How have you? Oh my god. How is everyone? Right. You're the only people who have done.
You know, can you give them another chance? Cause like this helps the point of the game.
Yeah, he's a god.
I made it.
Yeah, I'm a guard, bro.
Yeah, Ted, he's a
I'm gonna
god.
be a
Right.
guard.
He got 50. He got.
Black,
He
I'm gonna
got
be a guard
5k
after
subs.
after
Right.
I
I need him in Discord. Right. I can.
Can we get more people? We have to play all again. Like there's no much. This it's not fun.
Yo,
There's
who's
no
buying gun? No buying stuff. Right, Gab, everybody come back. Come back. No buying stuff. Everybody come back. The only
Can I just
person.
be a guard? I'm
No.
I
You
got a revolver.
no, and you can't
if I
die
just
on
kill
purpose
myself?
just to be a god, okay? Right,
Okay,
we need
fine.
to
But what if I make it to the end?
Then you win. Then you win the VHS tape.
But
Bro,
guys,
The
games are too
I
easy.
can make a better one.
oh my
Come
god,
on,
bro,
bro,
I
the
don't
games are too
care.
easy.
Mate, this kid said.
Oh yeah.
This kid said he can really make a
Fine.
better one.
Fuck about the revolver.
Just take a gun. I don't play games.
Okay, I don't care. Oh my god. Everybody stop
we get
buying
more
stuff
fun.
except for the
But
god.
the revolver-
Alright, everybody
Stop
come
playing with
here.
your toys.
No, screw it. Next game lights out. Everybody go in. Everybody get a crowbar and go into here.
Get in here.
For 2 seconds.
Here, I'll buy
Should
you
we use
guys
a stick?
crowbars. I'll buy you guys crowbars if you don't have them.
I can buy it. I'm already rich, bro.
No,
I use this?
light,
Since I'm
no
a
light.
guard.
You can't have a light.
Can I use? Can I use this?
There's
Alright. Can I use this? No, you cannot. That
No
was break,
gadgets.
so
So we
you
can
can't use
I
that
fight
really.
for this one?
Yeah. Just use
No.
your crowbar.
Go
Yours
away,
break
bro.
really
I just
easy.
following.
This gadget is following me.
I'll throw away my gun.
No, you can't fight. No, everybody, right, go into the lights out room or something.
Only take one crowbar.
Yeah, only take one crowbar.
Only take
Who
one
wants
crowbar.
crowbars?
Right, everybody
It's
come.
not fair if you
Go
get
in there,
Guys,
in there.
there's already crowbar. Everyone, all players get a
In there.
crowbar.
In there.
It's stuck.
Everybody come in. Come in.
Bro,
You
I gave a gun to this guy.
Yeah, you
I
go
gave
in.
a gun to this guy.
Yeah, Red, you
We
go
need
in.
more
No, there's
people.
someone else. There's someone else. Right, you go in. Right, Green, go in. And
Get
Red,
in.
go in. Right,
Get in there,
Right,
bro.
everybody,
Is it just me and
everybody
Green?
fight.
There's light.
Everybody fight.
There's a
Everybody
light in
fight.
there.
Everybody fight. Turn off
Somebody
the
has a
light.
light. Somebody has a
Turn
light.
off the light.
Someone. I can't see anything. Okay, yeah. You wanna fight, bro? Green, you wanna?
Yo, who just killed him?
The
Go Rabbit.
The
Rabbit, why
bunny.
did you kill him?
He had a light. He had a light. Bro, where's Green? I wanna fight
He
him.
was a guard, bro.
Is there anyone I can fight?
No, we're brothers, and I said to him if he died.
Can you revive me?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you can be.
Hey, what are you doing, Green?
Good.
He's chasing me.
Right, guards come out the arena.
Oh,
Only
Blue's still
the
here.
players can be in here. Guards come out the arena.
Quick.
Mm.
Okay, guards come out. Guards come out.
You wanna fight me?
Right, guys. We're
Go
gonna
in there.
start the next
Oh.
game.
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
Right, next game's gonna be tightrope. Right, guys, come with me. Come with me. Right, everybody, stop fighting. Stop fighting. The guard is just gonna talk to you about stuff whilst I set up the next game.
Can I come?
Yes,
I'm coming with.
I'm setting up this game. Right, guard to Bunny, Rabbit, and Black with the ice arms. Go talk to the players about what if they want, like, about why they joined the Squid Games and stuff or something. Yeah, you got to walk up now. Right, the next game set up.
Oh yes, this is easy.
Don't.
But this is easy.
No, Ted, you don't grab onto it. Ted, you can't grab onto it. You can't grab onto it. You have to use your hands.
I'm not playing.
Yeah. Because you're a god, so you're not completing
Yeah,
it.
I can wait at the top. We wait at the top.
By the way, you're not winning. Ted, you can't win. Right, bring the players over to stage 5.
Yo, can you put these in your bag? Put those.
Right, all the players. The next game has been set up. Everybody follow me for
Bro,
the next
killed
game.
someone.
Oh,
Okay.
Drop
I
the
eliminated
robot.
someone. I forced someone to
drop
be
the robot,
eliminated.
bro. Drop the robot. Drop the robot.
This is awfully too easy.
No, bro, you
This
can't
is so
be
easy. Can I should buy you ammo, bro. The next time he becomes robot, can I whack him with this?
Yeah, guys. No, guys. Right, drop all your weapons. Follow me to the next game. No,
If I
right,
die,
think
I
the guys
die.
can have items. Right, follow
Hey,
me.
Josh, tightrope, bro.
Yeah, it's tightrope.
Let me guess. The next game is
Okay.
tightrope.
Yeah, you got it correct, but it's not that long though. Alright, I didn't want to make it so it goes across
I
the
might
whole
die. I'm
time.
actually gonna get eliminated. Trust me, I'm getting eliminated. Let me
Alright,
buy it. Let me
yeah,
buy the zip line. Let me buy the zip line.
But if
No,
anyone
we've already done it. Don't worry, we've already got it, bro. Don't worry. No, drop that
Not
now.
that.
Drop it, or else you're getting eliminated. Drop it, or else you're getting eliminated.
Drop it now or
Drop
Can I
it
buy
now.
it?
Drop it.
Okay, good boy.
Drop it.
Bro, don't shoot him. Don't shoot him.
I'm gonna buy it. Hey, don't kill me.
Oh,
Hey!
I
Why you
killed.
kill me?
I
Don't
killed
res
him.
me. Do not res me.
drop the thing.
Ah, what are you taking me?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Kill,
bunny.
bro.
I got you.
Yeah, I got you.
Bro, leave me alone!
Teddy.
Throw it.
Ted.
Black, black.
Don't kill people.
Black, well done. Well done, Black.
Give
Well
the
done, Black. Black, well done. Huh?
Right, guys. This is the tightrope. This is the tightrope.
Wait, Bo. If they fall, do they die?
Yeah, if you fall, you're eliminated. Actually, no. You got
Okay,
3 lives.
I'll
You got
get
3
to the
lives.
end.
You,
And if anyone
guys,
falls,
you
I'll
got
shoot
3
them.
lives. You got 3
Bro,
lives.
I am not. If I die in the guard.
Oh, blue. Alright, blue.
Black.
Can you eliminate me real quick?
I get eliminated.
Yeah, I got you. You want
I'm
to
eliminated. Hey, he's cheating.
I'm
Yo, you can't. Blue. You actually. Bro, blue. Actually, stop. You're cheating.
I'm
You're
a
cheating,
guard
bro.
now.
No.
I did not buy a die on purpose. I did not die on
to be
purpose.
eliminated.
I actually lost.
Yeah, but that didn't count, bro. That didn't count because everyone died. But just complete the game, guys. You got 3 minutes.
Then after I get the guards.
I'm a guard.
No, you're a ball. I'm sorry.
Lock in, lock in, lock in,
No.
lock in, lock in.
I
We'll make it.
Right, go, jump off. You win.
My gun
We're
is
not
loaded,
humans.
ready.
Guys,
My
see
gun
ya.
is loaded with a...
Your
Right,
turn.
green. Guys, 2
There's two
minutes
tightrope.
left.
Guys,
turn.
I have a gun in my hand.
Ready?
Get in line. Do the tightrope.
Hey.
Can ride it. All stars can ride it.
Can we?
Hey, no, if you fall, you die. If you fall, you die.
Chill, bro.
I'm sure if you fall.
Can we?
Oh my god, who the hell keeps becoming a robot?
Chill, bro. Remember if I.
Yeah.
Bro, can you
Yeah.
stop killing these people, bro? We
No,
only
he fell
got
off. He fell off.
Oh well, no,
You're
bro, he
supposed to
already
die.
won. Don't worry, he
Bro.
already won.
Me?
Yeah.
Wait, he's
yeah,
a
Red,
robot.
you
Is that
already
fair?
won. Yeah, bro, he can't be a robot.
Then what do I get?
Oh, no, you haven't won the games yet.
Someone kill Red.
Who did?
Yeah, I killed you all guys. Sorry, it's because blue was being a robot. He can't be a
Stop
robot.
abusing your gun. I will heal you.
No one can! No one! It was him! It was him! God, shit, got dynamite! The big hat got dynamite!
Green.
Yo, Blue, can you leave? Blue, can you leave, please? Right, you've been eliminated. Can you please leave?
Everyone kills me.
Blue, can you leave?
No,
Blue, can you leave, please?
I got him. If he spawns it, I'll beam him.
Yeah, bro. Bro, don't worry, I got it covered.
Okay. Bro, where you see my bacon?
Where the hell has his ghost gone?
Oh, he's right there. Now stop. Or else. Yeah.
Bro, leave the code. Leave now. Bro, we're just gonna keep killing you. We're just gonna keep killing you. Bro, don't worry. You go set up the next game. Go make some games. Don't worry, you can't kick no more.
Kill him.
You can't kick bro. Right, let him leave the code. 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 Let him leave the code, bro. Let him leave the code.
Oh, he quit. He quit. Oh. Wait, he's going to come back. He's going to come back, you know that, in a different pit.
Bro, no, bro, I'll just tell him to leave because no one else will know the code. Right? And I'll know by the name, right? Because I also know my friend, right? Because my friend might join. Let me ask my friend.
Back immediate. Yo, he came back. Yo, leave now.
Leave now, bro. Leave.
Okay, he might come back, so we don't know it.
Not screw it. That guy, if he joins, just leave him. If he comes back, just leave him. Right, guys, come back to Stump for the next game. Come back to Stump for the next game.
Yeah, come back. Come
Is
back.
there 3 people? I think there's 3 people. Is there?
Nobody knew. Okay, there's 6 people left.
Yeah, me. Right, 3 of us are a guard.
Enemy spotted.
Right, everybody, this is the next game. Right, all the...
Can I add you?
Yes, sure. Right, guys, everybody, this is the next game. Ted, you're not
America.
playing. Everybody, come back to Stump for the next game. Come back to Stump for the next game.
Can you accept it? Can you accept it real quick?
Don't touch the things, right? Right, you can only choose one. You gotta choose one, but don't shoot it.
I died. My headset died.
What?
My headset died.
Bro, my game crashed.
Your headset died. Dude, my headset died. My headset died.
No, guys, you just do.
It's at 1%.